folks. Here we are, day one. Enjoy the highlight. Today I have the pleasure to meet Andre from Neon's team. He's a DevRel. Look how cool! Awesome! Welcome on board, mate! On my way to DevConnect, a Databricks meetup where 1,000 people are expected. Jonathan Frankel and Matej will give a short keynote.
And co-founder Matej to the stage to give some opening remarks. Come on up.
All right. Well, welcome everyone. Thanks for joining us on this first day of Summit. So I'll just give a quick sort of opening introduction to DevConnect, some of what we're doing with AI, and then get out of the way for really great initial keynote.
All right. How many people in here love open source? Woo! Oh, me too.